Good evening, everybody. Guess what I'm getting ready to make? For those of you who've never seen me make it, I'm going to make some fresh homemade salsa. All my salsa was gone out of the refrigerator. I haven't made any lately. So it's a real simple um, dish to make. I eat it with rice. I eat it with chips. I eat it on meat. You can just eat it with a variety of things. And it's all fresh veggies, lime juice, a little lemon juice, some salt, and red pepper. So what I'm going to start with, I've got my food processor here. I have to, of course, chop up all the veggies. So I'm going to start by chopping up these. This is about a half of a bunch of celery, a medium-sized bunch of celery. Just cut your celery into the chopper, like so. And what I sort of do is switch and put like, I'll mix like some celery, some onion, each one of the ingredients. I don't have a lot of bell pepper, but usually I have a whole bell pepper to go in here, but I thought I did, but I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started chopping. Let's put some tomatoes in there. I had lots of tomatoes, and especially if you get a lot of tomatoes going on in the fridge and you need to use them, just go ahead and make salsa out of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put the top on here. And I'm just going to pulse it a little bit. And as you can see, all the veggies get chopped like that. You can leave them coarse like that. What I usually do is I'll do some of each. Some coarse, some real fine. So these, for the most part, are going to be the coarse chopped. And then I'll do some fine chop. So we'll just go back and forth with it until we get everything all chopped up. And you talk about some good eating. Like I say, you can steam some rice and put it right on top of rice. Okay. So you can see how this is nice and chopped up. And this actually makes a lot. This will make probably a good quarter of salsa. And it, for homemade, you cannot beat it. The taste, and when you get all these veggies all mixed up together, they taste so good. And I wish you were here to know what the aroma that's coming off of these fresh veggies, especially when you get that celery and those onions going. Now, the other thing that you put in it is cilantro. I got fresh cilantro, and I buy a bunch of cilantro, and I use just about half of the bunch of cilantro to go in there because I like lots of cilantro in my salsa. Also, make sure you wash that cilantro really, really, really good because it is very gritty. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so make sure I got all the ingredients in there and then put the blade in. You gotta have the blade in, so you dump it back out. Put the blade in, y'all. So we're just gonna put it back in there like so. Okay. Get everything back in again. And then, like I say, this is such a simple dish to make if you want to call it a dish. Or it's you could be call it a condiment, whatever you want to call it. But it's so simple to make because all it is just chopping up your veggies and simply putting your seasonings in it. And the seasoning would be the lime juice, salt, pepper. Okay. Let's pulse that a little bit more. And with the cilantro, now you'll find that cilantro gets stringy and kind of give you a little bit of a challenge to get it ground up exactly like you want it. And of course, I want this cilantro ground up as fine as I can get it because we want to blend into the salsa just right. Now I'm telling y'all, this is going to be some good eating. Now that I got the cilantro incorporated, the fragrance, the aroma is unbelievable. It almost takes over. My whole kitchen smells so wonderful, y'all. I cannot wait to get this going to get some chips with it. So I don't want to put the entire bunch of cilantro in there. I think I got enough now. Cilantro will freeze. I'll put it in the freezer and freeze it and use it for whatever later on down the road. So not to worry. Get some more onions going on in there. Let me cut that a little bit. I think about one more container and we'll just about be done. We can start mixing our seasonings in. But like I said, this is going to be a very, very good batch because I have not. Tanya used to always tease me because she said I couldn't live without salsa. Oh my. Ooh, that smells good. And let me tell you something. In the morning, eggs, wonderful on eggs. I'm telling you, over easy eggs, scrambled eggs, how you want them. If you got, now see, I ground that up a little bit finer just to pull all the juices out of that. So, I don't think I'm not going to put any more cilantro. I think we got enough cilantro going. Here I'm about to, let's see. Let's get my blade out of there. Okay. So we need to get all the onions out. All the onions. And I think I've got another tomato. Yeah. I was making sandwiches earlier. I think I'm going to leave that piece for sandwiches. You want your tomatoes firm if you can get them firm. If not, I mean, you just have to use them, you know, if you already got them purchased. But they're going to just mash up, as I said. Mash up. And I'm going to, this one is here is really, really soft. So I'm just going to get that. The inside part of that tomato is kind of firm. So I'm going to get the firm part out of there. And put the rest of that in there. Okay. And a couple pieces of onion there. It kind of gets juicy, y'all. My hands get all juiced up. But nonetheless, this is going to be wonderful, y'all. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Sort of pulse it a little bit like that. And like I said, the rest of this cilantro is going to go right into the freezer. Okay, that's the rest of my tomatoes. I'm not going to have an abundance of tomatoes in there. Most of the time I have a lot more tomatoes, so I'm going to go ahead and use this piece here. This last piece here. Go ahead and grind it up. And throw it in. And you know what else you can... the other thing that you can use when you're making salsa too, and I don't have a can of Rotel. If you got some Rotel laying around, just get that Rotel and just throw it in there, and it'll just give you a little bit more tomato if you don't have enough tomatoes in there. So I think this is going to be pretty good. This is going to do okay. Okay. So we're going to get over here and get ready to start mixing. I'm going to go ahead and start squeezing in the lime. And I've got some lemon juice that I'm going to pour in. And we're going to get it all mixed up, y'all. And as you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time to mix it. So hold on just a minute. Let me go ahead and get okay. The salsa is chopped. It's ready. I've got the lime juice in there. Now and I've got the salt in there. So now I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice. So the lemon, the lime. So this is going to be about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I didn't have fresh lemon, so I just used some of the real lemon juice that you purchase at the store. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get my mouth on this. I have not made fresh salsa in a little while. I was eating it so much, and I think I gorged on it, but still, the other day I got thinking, I think I have not made salsa in about a couple of months, but I'm ready for some now. Doesn't it just look great? I really, really, really wish you all could just be here to smell and taste of it. Need the other teaspoon of salt in there. Oh, I've got to put some garlic powder in there as well. I don't have fresh garlic. Fresh garlic, of course, is great to put in here if you have it. But since I don't, I'm going to put me a teaspoon of fresh garlic in there. Okay. But this is just one of those things that you use for garnish. You can use it for chips. It needs to sit at least a couple of days for it to get the really, really good flavors all the way through. So, y'all, there it is. Fresh homemade salsa. It's good with potato chips, corn chips, any kind of chip. And like I said, if you want to put some, I tasted of it. Oh, about a teaspoon of vinegar also. Okay. A little bit of salt to cut that vinegar back. This is so, so good, y'all. Lemon juice, lime juice, and vinegar. And just mix it in. Okay. There it is, y'all. That tablespoon of vinegar did the trick. I'm going to cover it, put it in the fridge, and let it sit for a little while, and it will be ready to eat with some chips or use over meat. It's good over chicken. It's good with fish. It's good over rice, cream potatoes, whatever. However you want to eat, over eggs, grits and eggs. It's really, really a good side dish or garnish or whatever you want to do. So, thank y'all for tuning in. This was short and sweet, but I just wanted to demo this one because I know it's been a while since I made it. I've got some new subbies. So for those of you who like salsa, this is how you do it, quick and easy, and probably about, if you know, the first time you do it, maybe it'll take you 30 minutes. But really, actually, it takes no time at all, as you can see, because I did all this in real time. So listen, y'all, I'm tired. Been ripping around a little bit with Tanya this evening, but I had to have me some salsa tonight, so I thought I'd just stop in with y'all and just share while I made it. So until I decide to cook again, thank y'all so much for tuning in as always. Thank y'all for the prayers, and thank you for all of the support that you've given Tanya through her house journey. She does truly have a beautiful home. God has truly blessed her, and I want to just thank y'all for the congratulations, for all the many wonderful things that you had to say to her, for the encouragement, because she has truly gone through a lot. It's been positive, good stuff, but it's very tedious, it's very tiring. If you ever purchased a home before, built it, or outright, or looked for one and purchased it, you know what it takes to purchase a home and to go through all that you have to go through. And she's going to continue to share, of course, with all of you all. Just thank y'all so much for praying for my baby girl. So anywho, y'all, I'm getting ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy me some salsa and chips and maybe a sandwich or something, because I am tired this evening. So until I decide to cook again, y'all, keep those prayers going up. Love on one another, encourage one another, and just pray without ceasing about all the things. The weather is still, in some places now, it's so hot. California told me that they had, I think, 110 the other day. Out west, of course, you know, it's very, very hot. Even here in North Carolina, we've been in 3-digit degree weather. And I think we're going to get a relief tomorrow. But if not, if you have to be in it, be safe, stay hydrated. Listen, y'all, I got to go. Love you guys so much. Thank y'all for tuning in. Until I cook again, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Love you. Toodaloo.